When you start the Factual platform, you are presented with the Admin Console. The Admin Console allows you to create new scenes, enter existing scenes, and if you are the admin user, modify existing users and create new users. We're going to log in as the admin. We can click the Manage User button to go into the Manage Users panel. To create a new user, type in a new username and hit Create User. We can modify this user. We can define which tools this user has access to. For example, we can remove the Minimap tool from this user by selecting Minimap tool, clicking Remove tool, and then clicking Update. We can also delete users by selecting the user, clicking Modify User, and then clicking the Delete button. We can create a scene by clicking the Create Scene button and then typing in the name of the new scene. We can enter a scene once it has been created. Once we have entered a scene, we can register new assets to this scene. Click Register Asset, give your asset a name, select an asset type. Currently we accept meshes, point clouds, images, videos, audio, and Apex images or image with pose. Click Browse and navigate to wherever the file is that you want to upload. For point clouds and meshes, you can enter a 3D transformation offset. This will move and rotate a mesh or point cloud to normalize it in the scene. You can also define a scale. When you're finished, you can click Register. Once an asset has uploaded, you can select whether to place it as a scene object. This will spawn in the appropriate archetype, meaning you will be able to see a copy of this asset in the scene. You can place a mesh or point cloud as an environment, or you can skip. The statue point cloud has now been registered to this scene. If we select statue, we can then click Modify Asset, and we can change the scale, rotation, and position. We can do this for point clouds and for meshes. We can also select any asset and click Place a Scene Object to spawn in a copy in the scene. And for meshes and point clouds, we can click Place as Environment. We can reset the visibility of all archetypes in the scene by clicking the Set All Visible button. When we're satisfied with the assets we have registered to the scene, we can click Enter VR.